Hello, and welcome to the HR Dive. In this video, I will show you how to calculate investment growth in Excel using the FV formula. We'll start with the manual method so you can clearly see how compounding works step by step. Then, I will show you a faster and easier way using Excel's FV function. If you ever wondered how Excel calculates future value, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's assume that you invest $1,000 today. You contribute $100 at the end of every year. The investment lasts 5 years. You earn a 5% annual return. Our goal is to find out how much will this investment be worth at the end of year 5. So I have this table. For this year, this represents a 5 years investment timeline. So I would enter 0 in this cell and press Control key on the keyboard and drag down this to here. So this is to show that this is to represent a 5 years investment timeline. For starting balance, this is the amount at the beginning of each year. So for year 0, I'll put in $1,000. This is the $1,000 that I want to invest in. In the next row here, type in the equals and select this cell so that you draw the formula from here and drag this down, drag the formula down. Next, annual contribution. This is the amount added at the end of each year. So in year 0, enter 0 contribution. So in year 1, that's where we start contributing $100 each year, $100 for the next 5 years. So we drag this down for the next 5 years. For interest is calculated as starting balance multiplied by 5%. So in year 0, we put in the 0 because this is just the moment that you invested the initial $1,000. No time has passed yet, so no interest should be earned. Interest start accruing after the first year. So you enter equals this cell multiply by 5%, hit enter, and drag it down. All right, so now we're building the formula first. That's why you see 0 here. For ending balance, this is the total after adding contribution and interest. So we will need to use this formula equals to this cell, the starting balance, plus the annual contribution, plus the interest, and you hit enter. Then drag this formula down. You will see that the ending balance using the manual calculation in Excel is 1,829. So this is a great method for understanding exactly how compounding works, but it can be time consuming. So you put in 1,000 and you contribute 100 every year, you earn this interest, and then year on year, your money compounds and reaches this 1,829. Now, let's do the same calculation the fast way using Excel's FB function. So I put in this data here. This is the same thing as what this sentence is saying. So the rate, if your annual return is 5%, enter 5% here. If your investment lasts for 5 years, enter 5 here. If you are contributing $100 at the end of every year, enter negative 100. If your investment is $1,000, enter $1,000 here. To use the FV formula, enter the formula equals FV, open parenthesis, select this first cell, comma, select the next cell, comma, select the next cell, comma, and select the last cell, and close parenthesis, and hit enter. So notice the negative sign here. In Excel, money you invest is treated as cash going out. So contributions and initial investment are entered as negative. So what does each argument mean? So this is the annual return, 5%, the number of years, the yearly contribution, the initial investment. So this formula, just this short little formula, calculates the future value instantly. This very short formula, giving you the same result as this. Giving you the same 1,829 as this number that we calculated manually, that we took quite some time to calculate manually. We just need this formula, and in just one step, we get the number. So using the manual method is useful when you want to learn and visualize how compounding works over time, over the 5 years. So you use this FV formula when you want speed, accuracy, and flexibility. You just enter a formula, you get the number. So today, you have learned not only how to calculate investment growth step by step using this manual method, which helps you truly understand how compounding works over time, but also how to achieve the same result quickly and accurately using a single powerful formula, FB, giving you both clarity and efficiency in managing your investments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the HR Diary channel. Subscribing ensures that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.